All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be talking about something very important, which is this camera I'm using right now. This is my Pocket 3 from DJI, and I've really been enjoying this. I can definitely tell the difference in the quality when shooting out on my car channel. So if you aren't subscribed to my car channel, I'll give you a sneak peek of what's coming up this week. It might be out already, but I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the footage that I've done with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I think this thing is a game changer for me. I really enjoy having an external microphone. And when I was shooting the content outside for my other cars on my car channel, the wind filter, this wind filter, I don't have it on right now, but this wind filter right here came in clutch. It canceled out all of the wind. And that is something that I was like really surprised. I was curious to see, would this thing cancel out wind very well? And it sure does. I mean, it is a game changer for me when vlogging outside. And so now I want to show you some of the footage that I've done so far with the Pocket 3. And I think you're going to be surprised at how good this is. This is footage I've shot over the last week or so for the car channel. I haven't done anything else with this camera for this channel because I haven't done any more vlogs, but I wanted to go ahead and show you some content that I've taken with this camera. I think you're going to be surprised at how nice it is. Just out and about in the elements. It's really nice. So let me show you some footage that I've taken with the camera, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, it's a windy day, but I want to go and do a walk around of the car because I just have not been able to get anything out. Just got the windows tinted. You probably noticed already. Yeah. Got my new DJI Pocket 3, so definitely going to be using this going forward because the quality for this is going to be a lot better than anything else I've ever used. So I want to go ahead and use this right here, give you a full walk around of the car. Got the windows smoked out. It was a must. I've been giving you guys much better footage now with this new camera I picked up. They did a good job on the car, man. I really like it a lot. Really like it. But this is my 24 Mustang. Haven't given any content on this thing yet because the weather just has not permitted. Even right now, it's really windy out, so I apologize if there's a lot of wind. But I am using my new camera. I got the new setup, so the camera has I got an external microphone now with a wind filter, so hopefully that's helping. But I try not to film too much when it's windy, but I just don't have a choice most of the time. So there it is, man. I got the windows. I actually decided to get the windows retinted. I couldn't do it. I could not handle the not having the strip on the front, and I couldn't handle not having the back windows darker, man. It was a mess. I couldn't do it. But there it is. Looking real good. I got the 5%. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and get it redone, man. I couldn't do it. I was like, I cannot have this truck out here with the, you can pretty much see straight through the truck, man. And right now, as you can see, it's dark in there. It's real nice in there. Can't see really anything, so loving it, man. I've been putting some miles on it. Obviously, this is the daily. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to put a lot more miles on this than anything. Ever since I got the Mustang, I haven't had a chance to do much because the weather has been so cold here. As you remember, I got the new rough country. You can see I got the new rough country joint. This is the flush mount right here. This is the flush mount kind. So this is real nice. So one thing is for certain, if you like to vlog or you like to shoot content outside, or it just doesn't really matter, this camera definitely is it. The color representation, the way the colors are represented when shooting with this outside is absolutely great. The colors of the cars are accurate. Everything is just all there. And I wanted to share some of the footage from my car channel a little sooner on this channel for you guys to let you know that, man, the audio is great. You would not think it was windy on these days that I was shooting. It's completely windy. I mean, like strong wind. It was actually really cold too, but it just happened to be kind of sunny out, so that helped out. On a gloomy day, it probably would be good too, but the footage that comes from this camera since it now has a 1-inch sensor, I'm extremely impressed with it. So if you're a person who wants to shoot other things, or definitely if you want to vlog, I think you'll really enjoy this creator's combo. I love having the microphone. I just put the microphone on my hat. I like having it up on my hat instead of a shirt because it'll flop around. So now when I shoot, I just put a hat on or something like that and just clip it up. But yeah, man, it was really windy on those days that I was shooting. And I mean, I'm talking about strong winds. If you've ever seen my car channel, watch videos over there. If you haven't, go ahead and do so and check it out, because you're going to see that if I'm not using the S23 Ultra, you know, the S23 Ultra canceled out really good wind on there, but it's definitely not as good as this device right here with this external microphone. It's just really solid. So wanted to go ahead and share an update on the Pocket 3. This thing is crazy, man, and it is totally worth the money right now from where I sit. For what I'm going to use it for, I'm totally impressed with it. And I think it's not like a drop in the bucket. It is $670 before taxes. And depending on where you live, you could end up paying, I think mine came to $740 or $730 or something like that. I gotta look at my receipt. But yeah, it's not just a drop in the bucket. But I told you how I got mine. I sold some camera gear. I mean, I didn't have to do it that way, but I just happened to sell some camera gear. And this came out, and I was really excited. I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just get this regardless. So yeah, this is a good look. This is great for vlogging. And just so you know, I don't have any kind of special lighting going. There's just a window open behind this camera right here. My two dining area windows are open here behind the camera, and that's it. So, and it's kind of dim in here, is what I'm saying. And then also the shades are kind of tilted up to kill off some of the light, because it's not sunny outside at all. But you can see how this 1-inch sensor is handling a vlogging situation like this when it's not very much light. And I think it's really good. So, it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you think about the footage that comes from this device so far? The Pocket 3 is a win, a major win for me. And the gimbal action is crazy. What do you think about that sample I showed you? Let's talk about it in the comments. Take care.